bread, chop the bread.
What are you saying now?
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
I know very good. Could have come on today's death.
Today's date now 17th of March 2015. It is a go feel out.
ECB. Hinde correct?
Correct.
Anyway, Una, welcome back. Una, welcome to. I say welcome back. Una, welcome to that show
Nedu
for today.
don't dance. He can't call that in village dance that time. Nedu don't come out for a year. Nedu don't go way back in time.
You're not gonna understand. You can't understand. You see, except the spirit.
Reveal it to you.
Reveal to you. See, let me tell you something you don't understand. Flesh and blood cannot tell that to you.
So
it's the spirit.
Yes, I know that spirit.
Have to spirit.
Abudaka from very deep down below. Ubo feel who the pento, mama the pento, I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
So now the pay. Now ECB, I say,
you feel.
Yes.
Anyway, yesterday on top of the night show, we not take any phone call at all because of say na ministry Monday when they be saying they discuss things. Everybody call humble.
Easy safe. Today don't change. Easy don't rebrand.
You don't rebrand. Rebrand. So apart branding matter and all this, that make us not take phone calls because that's something when you be say you go need learn to better your life. Yes. From next week you go feel the ask question. But today on top of today's topic. See, some people they always ask me, Nedu, maybe on top Instagram or on top Twitter. See, Nedu, those things one that they always talk about.
True life story.
True life story. This one now, it happened to one lady. Her wedding is supposed to be next. I don't know. Now this week I'll be next. This week I'll be next week.
No, next week.
Next week, not be next week.
No, next week now. Huh. Nedu, I mean, no do my yin yav. Huh. Say your bells. Oh. So next week, I suppose I do the wedding.
Her wedding is supposed to be next week, Saturday. Now, the thing where they be say, the person where she want marry.
Adi kapiko so.
Kenke kapiko so.
Kapiko so. Abren saki so. About chai. Yemi nam di utom po yemi. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understand. So, make I speak English, give them now. Okay.
That is it.
Now, the thing where they for the matter be say, this guy where this girl want marry, now him be the only son of the family, and the family get money well. The father of the boy not there again, now the mother na in day. Now only the mother na in day. Now this girl now won't come marry this guy. Now next week Saturday.
The guy the only son.
Is the only son. Not being this woman can't invite the girl. Say me the girl come meet her for one restaurant. As so the girl carry waka go the restaurant.
As a potential mother-in-law now. No, I cannot come.
You understand? She not gonna know what the mother-in-law get for mind or anything. She just carry waka go meet the mother-in-law. Now so the mother-in-law sit am down. Say my dear, look me into the eyes. I not like you.
Chai! Now that one, I can't shake.
I not like you. Forget say you want marry my pikin. I don't know what my pikin say for your body, but me, make I tell you, I don't like you. I know your type, but make I tell you now, I carry one contract. Come here, you go sign,
and the girl find pieces.
If you see this girl, don't make I talk the story finish.
Okay.
He say this contract where I carry come now. You want marry my pikin next week, Abi? I don't like you. This contract you go sign and say anything will happen to my pikin, 1 naira.
No go reach
from my family, not go reach your hand. The girl want do now, so the woman hold on for neck. Come on, stay there.
Hold on.
Jam the girl for
the wall.
Jam the girl for wall, not be wall.
No,
jam the girl for wall. He jam the girl for wall. Say it's like you don't know who I am. Say make the girl sign the thing. Say she not go collect 1 naira. If anything happen to the guy, because the family is very, very rich. Now, the question we want to ask now today, if now you be the girl, or you be man, what you go advise that girl? May she continue with the marriage, or may she sign the paper, say no problem. She not even the guy that she not 1 naira. Abi, make she waka leave that kind of marriage. We go back small chick, and she must not tell the husband. And she must not tell the husband.
Because know how, Nedu, if you tell the husband, the mother-in-law will now come use and say, okay, you go report me to my pikin.
And according to what you talk, mother-in-laws, they always win. So therefore, no matter what we go discuss today be that, if now you be the girl, what thing you go do? if you be man where they there, what you got advice made the girl do? For you now go back small chicken the break. When we come back, immediately we will begin take your phone calls. When they come back, still on top of the night show. One day, Ibiri Kambiri. Oh, yeah, don't know what do I got you.
You are yours a very local man.
I'm a local somebody. I am not an Ajabo. I am not an Aji. I'm a local somebody. You know,
I mean, no very local somebody at all.
No. Me, I agree. I'm a local somebody. Anyway, Una, welcome back on Top the Night Show for today. My name is Nedu Katherine is by my right hand side as usual.
Yos.
We're going to begin taking our phone calls now. Our phone numbers go down, show on top of your TV. Now make you begin call us for this matter one episode we discuss today. See, you don't know what's in it for that matter. In case you just join us, the matter will discuss. Okay, Chioma from Mina, good evening.
Okay.
Chioma.
Hello.
Chi, baby. Good evening, Chioma. How you doing?
Chioma, Hannah.
I'm fine.
I did find my sister. How your side?
Fine.
I bet Chioma, if
I
not.
want
Easy, go peace. You go peace. Mama, you don't come back. Hey, Siam. Zip your trouser well now. Zip her well. Hey, would they hear you?
If not me, but I not go marry. I go quit that marriage.
You go leave the marriage. Why you go leave the marriage? Your TV they too loud.
I not go marry. I not go again for that marriage.
No
problem. Bye. Thank you, Choma. Thank you.
For on top Twitter say Nedu, I will
quit the marriage because there is no love there.
Yes, there is no love. Choma, thank you.
No,
thank you. Good night. Oh, God bless you. Easy bit, kiss her.
Sleep well.
Kiss her again.
Tomorrow you go say easy bit Nasha Wolf.
When we know I'm business now. What am I talking about?
She say Nedu I to Kati and the ye fizzle easy. Yeah me.
They don't add fizzle.
The fizzle easy bit. Na normal thing to say prenups. So make the lady sign them. To be not true love.
Okay, whether not true love it could be. Read another one.
Pascal and say I could advise me she bond the marriage. Make it not be as if she no get personal interest. She get personal interest in the family.
No.
Since they get money.
But if you reason this thing, easy bit. Imagine saying you be the girl. Talk true. What you go do?
Well, as a matter to be.
No, easy no fit imagine say he be
No.
Easy be na man.
No, na man. But okay, for example, for you now.
If na okay. if the role
if your sister, or imagine say you know a person where you know, then say maybe make she sign this prenup because English they call them prenup. Make you sign them. You, what you go tell her make she do?
Okay, on my own opinion, I go tell her make him tell the guy. So yes.
See,
wait
this
now.
guy. See,
you ask me now.
Now the only boy.
Wait.
No, now the only son in me now.
Before you continue, hello, good evening. Who there on the line? Now the only son, just in case.
It's Sophia.
Sophia, how you doing?
I'm fine, though.
How Abuja today?
Fine, though.
Sophia, if not you, what do you go do?
It's to leave the man, though.
It's to leave the man. Why you go leave the man?
If his mother would say to me like this, I don't think I will stay with him. I don't know what she's capable of doing next time.
So Sophia, make I ask you. So you may say now marriage when they marry the man for him property?
No, it's not for property.
So even if for property, then you go marry him.
I mean, if you're the mother, you're the boy, mama.
I'm afraid of the mother.
All right, Sophia, thank you very much. Thank you.
My regards to easy.
He dey hear you.
Yeah, Sophie, good evening.
Is it not Safety? I know be Safety.
Safety.
You don't shortcut the name now.
Now, something you don't understand.
Listen, Nedu, I surprised. I know they called you short, because you know, say we here for Naya, we always say free small thing. We could say we could fight and with prayer. Everybody now say they no go marry the marry again. Yours because the mother say me you can't sign
Because
the dotted line.
if you say in case you don't know, this guy, he know the person, the kind person where the mama be. He know those kind for drug law films, all those kind mafia kind of mother where you know the kind person where mama be. The guy know the kind person mama be. You understand?
See, if not me, or now my sister, this thing happened, so I could just simply advise her two things. It's either you walk away or make you tell the guy, say, see as they go, you know, feel marry him again. Because at the end of the day, if that guy can't find out tomorrow, say, see the kind of contract where you go sign with your mama, it be like say you betray him.
Which betray?
But maybe the boy is not to get my way, mama. If papa don't die now, now mommy boy.
Now mommy boy, the will of the family. Now the guy, now the guy, now he go collect. Now as
so there is no need now. There is no need for me to go put myself for that kind of.
Now make I ask you. Now for your sister, where they into the guy? No, but I love him. He's the love of my life.
I cannot
live without it.
I will kill myself.
What thing you go do?
Oh, she will say she won't kill herself.
Which means she dey marry the guy because of the property.
If you won't look at my
If you want look at like that, say you go leave the marriage. So okay, imagine say you go tell the guy now, baby, look at what your mother told me. In fact, I don't think I want to continue. The guy go face, you don't think you want to, so you want to marry me so that
because of my property.
Things that you go get.
Okay, it's just like person tell you say, before you feel marry my pikin, you can't take oath. You understand? Because that thing is more like an oath, like an agreement.
But some people
maybe you can't carry oath, say.
Okay, sorry,
just talk,
we'll come back to you. Come
Okay.
Abuja, good
Some people
evening.
they do it now.
Pick your gun.
We don't pick up, no mind them. Now there for work.
Okay. Don't pick up, no mind them.
Now there for work. Good evening.
Okay.
Hey, Honan.
Person dey laugh.
Her TV dey too
The
loud.
problem is say una televisions they too loud.
I beg, more than not vex.
Off your TV though.
If you not fit off your TV, reduce the volume, make you not hear anything at all. That way we go fit hear ourselves well. Anyway, in case you just dey join us for the show this night, what we dey discuss now matter wey concern one girl when they be say she go marry next week.
Next week Saturday.
Next week Saturday, now she dey marry. But the issue wey dey for the matter be say the guy wey she wan marry na only pikin, and the guy papa don die. The mama na him dey alive, and this family dey very 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 rich. Na Lagos here dem dey.
No, Nedu. You know, say that time they been supposed to marry on Saturday, that 28, before it come be like say that election. So they can't change them to this Saturday.
From Port Harcourt,
So
good
just
evening.
this Saturday they marry you.
Oh, na this Saturday.
Hey na.
Hello, sorry, don't cut. Now the hello.
The girl don't know whether she could marry.
Hello. Yay. This is evil spirit at work.
You want to puncture my ear?
Junk file.
Puncture.
Mm.
Anyway, in case you just join us, what we dey talk now? Say, okay, this girl now we want marry this guy. Now the only pikin na the guy be, and the papa of this guy don't die. Now the mama na him remain, and this family they very very
And
rich.
I'm the only boy.
Naim be the only boy of the now of course Naim be the only pikin now, so of course now only boy. Now I can't be
Fine
the next
boy,
week Saturday, but now this Saturday
na this
because
Saturday.
the wedding been be before they come push am confront. Now as it be say this week be the election, I say
Be the marry.
be the marriage. This woman, the mother-in-law to be now, come call this girl. That's why they meet for one restaurant for inside VI, Victoria Island here. The girl sit down with the mama, the mother-in-law to be, and the mother-in-law look at face to
Yours
face.
normal visit.
Normal visit, look at face to face, say, see, I don't like you.
It koro like this.
From Abuja, good evening.
Good evening, Uju. Good evening.
Uju, how you doing now?
I'm just fine.
Uju, I beg, if now you be this girl, what do you go do?
It's not me I go pick the marriage.
You go
It's not because of the property, but because the mother-in-law already tell me say she don't like me.
So,
Hello?
so because of saying the mother, your own now say you go leave the marriage because of saying your mother-in-law not like you.
Yes, no matter what I do for that place, the mother-in-law no go dey happy.
But you don't fit.
I no go. Hello?
Yeah, we dey hear you.
And I no go sign the contract that tomorrow night if the man die, I will just stay like that. Nothing, no husband. You understand? So for that girl, she feel married tomorrow. Next month the man died. Nobody knows what will happen next. You understand?
I understand, Uju. Uju, thank you very
and
much.
nobody would like you for the family.
Okay. I'm gonna thank you very much.
All these
Now,
people, you think say, easy to just walk away from marriage
wait now.
when you don't follow somebody 3 years.
Una 3 years they don't do boyfriend and girlfriend with the mama don't know. Now for this matter we say just as I talk before Uju call. The girl, the mother-in-law to be now. Come they tell this girl say, look, I don't like you. See, look me face to face. I don't like you. But I don't even know what my pikin say for your body. But anyway, as my pikin say he love you, he want marry you. Sign this paper. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
We're calling from Lagos.
Faith. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. How you doing, my sister?
Fine, thank you. This kind of thing,
Oh, ayan man, kami ka nang baro ba yado. Me bongo, mudo, yabi banto ke aso. Ayan foso ba ke mempo for mo.
Me, I prevail. I will not sign the paper, but if that woman can even allow me that moment for me to go, I think I will just call the guy for discussion.
I beg. Okay, thank you. Your phone. Evil spirits,
they do like wiri.
Phone me from Ogun State. Good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm fine.
How today?
Nedu, I'm so happy for this topic or what we also to call for.
Yes.
See, they don't see mafia before too. You say that man, that mother-in-law na mafia. They don't see mafia woman too before. If not me, I not go sign anything, and I go marry the son. I'm telling you.
Why you go ahead to marry the son?
The woman will not do anything. Is she not a woman like me? He wants me to sign an agreement for what? For marriage. Marriage that when the people say two people will now become one. The woman don't old now.
Won't come be different.
She should leave her son alone. This one is not matter of property or whatever, or what I want to gain later on. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
What is it? I come and sign agreement. Meaning what? Am I a slave?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be the wife. What is good? Is she praying for a bad thing to happen to the son? You understand what I'm saying? If it is me, I will show her that I'm a mafia too.
Yeah.
I will go. I will not sign anything, and I will marry the son. There's nothing she can do.
Thank you.
You understand?
We understand. Thank you very much.
No be quarrel.
Thank you.
Hello, who did the line?
A blood half.
From Port Harcourt, good evening. Oliver.
The coco.
Oliver the Coke.
Yes, I'm the cook.
Oliver the Coke. How far?
Fine, I'm very fine.
What do you get to talk about for this matter?
I want to inform you that the dressing of the man and boy, I like the both the woman and the guy.
Gene.
So that's why I want to call you people.
Which dressing of which man and which boy?
Are you hearing me?
Oliver the Coke, would they hear you?
That guy with jacket, I like his dressing.
Which guy with jacket? Okay, this guy.
Yes.
This guy is looking. He's looking wonderful.
Yes.
You like the guy, ba?
Yes.
Oh. Why you like him?
Anyway, we'll be back much. Give me break for you. We'll come back. We'll continue it. Still on top of this topic for the night show. We'll come back. Join us for the night show for today.
My brother,
what will they discuss now this matter of this girl we want marry only
Saturday,
son to a very rich family. When the mama tell the girl say, look, I not like you.
Anything
in fact, when the matter even una not see the picture. If I make we paint on the real picture of what happened for the restaurant where they send for inside VR here. Now the girl easy between the here. The girl sit down. He don't know anything that happened now.
He just thinks maybe mother-in-law just want to talk to him before.
So she sit down. As she sit down, now the mama tell her say, look, you want marry my pikin. I don't know what my pikin see for your body. I don't like you.
Fine, Kelo.
I not like you. See this paper. Sign am. Why you dey sign? The girl say, why am I? What is it? He say, you sign am. Say, even if anything happen to my pikin, 1 naira of this family, this rich family, not go come your pocket. Now so the girl stand up. As the girl stand up, the woman follow him.
As he stand
up, the woman follow him.
As he
Carry
stand
one hand, pin her for what? So they mad. You know who they talk to?
Hey.
Go ask anybody about why I be. I go beg. That's exactly what the woman.
He say hold up, he pin him to what?
One hand, the woman you say pin her for what? So what would they ask? Okay, from Abuja, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Nga say how you doing? Nga bebe.
I'm fine.
Nga, what you get to talk about this matter?
Okay, I'll marry the guy now.
Why you go marry the guy?
Why I'll marry him? I will give the love is there. I'll marry him.
So you not sign the property?
No, not at all. Even the mother-in-law.
You not sign it? Oh, thank you, my dear.
Right.
Like dog to the mother-in-law. Thank you very much, Nga.
No, that one.
Gloria, good evening.
That kind mother-in-law no go
Good
clean you
evening,
stay.
Nedu.
How you doing, my sister?
I just find out how like
We did fine.
be well done.
Yeah, good evening.
Again,
I say, for this issue, this beggar will get down.
my sister.
Now we let the crate stop another one.
So
When the way they don't fit for Saturday, Mama say when you no go home. If I don't sign this, when you no go home, the invitation don't go down. Invitation don't go out, no be so. So wedding must go now. Whether she sign or she don't sign, wedding must go because invitation don't go.
So you not go sign if not you.
Thank you. Sign wait.
All right, no,
Sign
Allah, Gloria, thank you very much. Hello, good evening, Amaka.
The woman say you know sign no
good
wedding
evening, my
dey
brother.
take place.
Hello, Nedu.
Oh,
Good.
I baby, your voice coming like man own. I think it's Emeka.
Nedu, you know serious. You know they serious.
Baby.
No, they baby me, I beg.
Baby.
Nedu, no baby me.
So why now?
So now they own me. They baby me. No, they baby me.
Hey, Kamos, never send you your recharge card. Hey,
Never tell them.
na Kamos, so.
Now this is
Na Amaka from Shomolu na she. Okay, Amaka, what you get talk about the matter?
Nedu, the
collect her number
truth
that time.
about this matter.
Eh.
I no go marry again, no. I go just step aside.
What?
Because if the woman go get mind, call me, make her sign agreement. I never know the other plans where she gets if I marry the guy because she don't like me.
You know they easy like that to come out body for
It's not
relation.
get easy. It go dey painful when I come out for the but I go think about the guy before anything. Then if he doesn't, if he no do anything, I go just find my way. Na true be that because I no fit dey for marriage. I no dey happy.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you very much, Amaka. Thank you very. Hello, good evening from Worry.
Yeah.
How you doing,
Good
Missy?
evening.
How you doing, my sister? How are you today?
For real, bless God.
If not you for this matter, tell me what you go do.
Nedu, it's not easy. But the truth is that I'm not just quit marriage like that.
Okay.
When dates don't they?
Okay.
If the mama tell me say not like me, I go tell her mama I don't like you too. Because I don't like people they like. You see, we say na prayer
kind
because
thing
that
for
kind
shocker.
woman,
Lucy, make
bad
I
woman.
ask you.
you get plan.
Lucy, make I ask you, which means say you go ahead with the marriage, but you not go sign the
Why
paper.
not? I go marry well, nothing dey happen.
No.
Listen, una no know this woman, no.
She say no signing, no
She
marriage.
say no
I
signing.
no go sign.
So you
Nedu.
no go marry me.
Let me say you not go marry the guy be that now.
I go marry, but I no go sign.
How you won't marry the
How
married?
you want
Na
to
she be
marry
mother,
her?
na she be father.
That she be mother, that she be father.
The
How you
papa
want
don't
marry her?
die.
Which father? Na I get the boy.
Na the papa don't die now.
You see, Lucy,
No be creator.
Lucy, the
Nedu-
area. Lucy go bust
Nedu,
bottle.
the truth is that before
They are
that marriage,
heavy.
I go fast for a head, like 3 days dry. 3 days dry fasting, no.
Be all right, no wahala. Lucy, thank you very
Then
much.
by herself, the woman could place God on top your matter.
Easy be to be. They say something before begin take phone calls.
Yeah, I talk about. I say I no go agree make my sister marry am, or even let's assume say I be woman. I no go agree. I go just tell the guy say see how the matter dey be. Oh, I'm not sure say I go fit
So you
go
no
through
want
with this
problem.
marriage because at the end of the day, I do the boy a favor and I also do myself a favor. Okay, because like wetin this last caller talk now, what if this woman get so many things for her agenda, or by tomorrow now, who know whether her greed can go even make her go kill her own son just to make sure say she inherit the whole thing to herself.
Because the whole will
But
of
she
the
self
family.
go die one day
No,
now.
she self go die now.
Human beings not they think like that. Because human beings, they don't plan to say, "Moku just do and now, Moku end that now."
Because
They don't
will,
think like that.
the will of the family. Now the boy. Now
Now
they
you
sign and
supposed
give.
carry everything.
Everything.
But you know, say, this life, you know, fit carry any better thing for your life if you no suffer for him.
So what you dey try talk?
I could marry the guy now if not me. But why? I could say you marry, floor the mother-in-law. The mother-in-law could show say you no go marry.
But you see, I be one talk say I
then you could because you know say you self no dey lazy. You could do work, you could hostel.
You understand? Me I be want to say me I no go marry the guy. But if I reason am if I be the guy, one, I go marry him. Why I go marry the guy? Why I go marry the guy? Two things. I be more than two things. Make I start with number one. You know they marry the guy out of say you want make the guy die. Make the property just enter your pocket. You say if you not be mumu, you know they not fold your hand. You dey work. High yes, you tell the guy say okay, omo, see wetin dey o. See wetin your mama tell me. Mama hold me for neck o. But I go sign the thing. Just make we for day together.
Yeah, but you still tell the guy now.
Yes.
But you know go tell the guy go find out by himself.
You know understand? Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello? From Makodi, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you there, my sister?
Katherine, how far now?
We there, Anna.
Easy, what's up, my guy?
Good evening.
You be girl, I be boy.
Good evening.
You be girl?
How you na day?
What be your name?
Musendo from Makodi.
You be woman or man?
Musendo.
I be woman.
Musendo.
You be area girl? Are you a conductress? The way I take your easy be how far? I be woman. I know what your answer go be. Now. If not you, what you go do? I know what the answer go be.
I no go sign.
You don't form. I think say you go sign.
No.
Why you not go sign?
With that kind of voice.
How I go sign?
She go one.
I create.
You dey create. Why?
Should you say?
I don't sign now.
She area. Why you go organize? Make them beat the woman.
Musendo.
I don't trust you.
They do.
You form my hand though. I think said wait take easy be how far. Say you go tell the woman say yeah, nothing dey happen.
They do. If I rush that woman, she go respect her old age.
Anyway, Musendo, thank you very much. You say you not go sign. We don't hear your own. Thank you very much. From Makodi still, good evening.
You can imagine.
Hello, Nedu.
Agbes.
See Agbes, man. You don't want to pick me. What's happening?
Agbes, your wife, nice food never ready, I think.
My house dey cook now. I don't see the cook. How about it?
We dey fine. Agbes.
How about it?
We dey. Talk your mind for this matter. Wait, Agbes, how many children you get?
Nedu. If you not me,
yes.
Be that girl. I go sign that paper.
You go sign them, Abi?
I go sign. I go marry. Okay. I don't like as if you must tell me quick.
Yes.
Then after the thing they come for work, and they collect my money, they carry go my account. Anytime they settle that, they do my own things. Because if somebody tell me say no thing for me, I will drop debt, arrange my own. If in a house, I will put up for my side. Everything I will do for my side. My picking the money will go for his side. So what I will find the paper make you and not say my mind get free. No, what I do is very different. I mean, I say what I will do.
I beg no vex. Agbef, no vex. Your blood dey hot.
No be quarrel.
No be quarrel. No vex.
You say?
No, okay. We don't hear you. Thank you very much, Agbef.
Greet you, madam.
Greet madam. What did she dey cook?
Agbef don't go.
Judith from Benin. Good evening.
Agbef don't go.
I know Judith.
Hello.
Good evening, Julie. How you dey?
I dey fine. How about this? I go enjoy una talk.
We dey enjoy your mom voice. Sorry, we dey enjoy you.
What trouble una dey talk for this matter?
Yeah.
The woman naim.
Nagene.
The woman naim. So if me wan marry am, I wife. Me myself, I will be we.
Wetin be iwi?
Na be kapon wey be.
I tell you, na be the kapon wey she be abi.
Kapon, na kapon.
You say na kapon. Their father.
Because you dey see say it abi. So he will still see person. Not only to fasting and prayer, pray for your head. That's business in the warrior.
I think say this your kapon na bottom. Okay.
Give me the certificate.
Julie, you can catapult.
Julie, you got gun? You got gun?
And catapult.
Everything there.
Yeah. Thank you. No vex, oh Julie. Thank you. Good night. Good night, oh.
No be quarrel. You leave me like hooko as that woman go hold am by the neck instead go hold you. Imagine if that mother-in-law hold the girl say hold am.
From Abuja, good evening. Bimbo.
Hello?
Yeah,
Bimbo, how you
hear
doing?
you.
Good to hear you.
They do. You they take my credit, they dance, va?
Now my me on a devil walk.
How you dey?
I did fine, my sister. Bimbo, I beg, what you get stuck up for this matter?
Me I will marry you.
Why you go marry him?
If I marry, I know they handicap now. Not to they gather money like a birth state. On my own now. On
No,
my
I
own
wait, talking on with face.
Thank you.
Now marry. Yeah.
Finish.
Me and the mother-in-law will go there avoid ourselves.
Abio.
The one I did in front of the pikin, you gotta go to pretend. Hello,
Yes,
sweetie.
now,
Hello,
pretend.
sweet mommy.
Then if now one account you go get, if you get, you go like open like 4.
Yes, now different accounts for different banks.
They pack money, they full up.
The pikin go dey service the account sef.
And she not gonna know.
She not gonna know.
All right, Bimbo, thank you very much.
I see my day.
I did my sweet baby.
Easy bit.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Well done.
Yeah, well done.
Bimbo tell you. Ibi tola say greetings.
Well done.
My wife says she could marry the guy, born the mama. She could sign the paper after some years. She could tell the Kai. Pascal said if it say the woman they put am to test.
Hello, good evening.
Don't know what
Good evening. Good evening, Nedu.
Yes, what
Oh,
voice?
Winnie, baby. Winnie, laugh again. This girl, you are killing me. Call my name.
Nedu.
Winnie, friend, oh, hey, Winnie, please drop your number. I'll call you later. Don't forget to drop your number. Winnie, what you gonna do for this matter if not you?
Nedu, for this matter, I know we won't tell my guy saying I waiting mama talk. So
You
the
don't
mama
won't tell the old guys.
So I will give the mama my own condition too. Each woman has signed that agreement. She gonna need call her son.
Okay.
We will get agreement. We'll go talk am.
Okay.
And also, if I will sign the agreement, the plus go do the agreement.
Winnie,
Maybe say,
just keep talking. This your sweet voice.
Winnie, just they talk, they go.
Just they talk, they go. Me will go heaven with this your voice.
They talk now.
Clause go do the agreement. Say, why would they marry if I born any pikin? Waiting go they allocated to them, go still they allocated to them. Like their right, then go still get some.
You be lawyer.
And why? And why we they married? Anything where we work together to get. Now my own too.
Okay.
But that one na my own right.
Okay.
But the rest they fit take am.
Nah, lawyer,
Okay. Hey, Winnie, you be
they
lawyer.
involved, I don't be lawyer.
Winnie, I beg, lick my ear. Hey, Winnie, you have killed me. Hey, why, mom? Katherine, you still laugh. This is too laugh. Not the
Who they laugh like
You
that?
laugh. Divide your mouth into two.
To laugh.
Hello, who they on the line?
Okay.
How you doing, my brother?
Why no?
I beg, for this matter we dey discuss, what you go talk on top am? What be your name and where you dey come from? What be your name?
I go. The first question I go ask the woman is say, waiting to decide when the husband marry her, whether the husband or mama give her anything back to sign.
Okay.
Then, if he says no, I was okay. Why you want me to sign when I want to marry your people?
Okay.
So if you don't give me any better reason, then that is when I will have to say, okay, I'm not going to sign, but I go marry your people. Then, like I put it, I bet best talk. Then at the same time, I will pull my bank account from here also too.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
So all of una be thief inside this matter. We are just the feel account anyhow. Hey, you could get account for the blue bank, the red bank, the yellow bank, the.
Patrick, thank you very much. Good night.
Shirley Simon say, I know co-sign am cause this wall is big. Oh, Nedu, what if the mama Coco kill the boy yours to suffer me?
What if? What? Well, we'll take this call first. Rose from Warri.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
You are my sunshine.
Katherine,
I will.
you are English number one. Queen's Calabar.
Aboso.
Na Queen's Calabar.
Na Queen's for Nev.
Queen Calabar for ne.
English.
My guy,
Your guy.
Good evening.
Your guy.
Back to the question. For me, I don't go marry that guy.
Why you not go marry him?
Because a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage.
Second.
A broken relationship is better than a broken marriage.
A broken relationship.
About the broken ruler. Oh.
Relationship. Because if I marry a man, if I marry a man, if I'm not to tell I will go kill her. What I will do? I don't kill her.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice one. Thank you.
Nedu, I don't know. This heath, I do too much. The heath, I dance when I yours dance yours now. So the heath,
Hey!
So yeah, bad.
What's it?
Yeah.
I bet stand up. I bet wanna wait.
What's happen?
Turn back. I bet wanna see what's in Katherine we are.
What's happen?
Hey! Sit down.
The
material finished.
No, Nedu, I go somewhere. I don't even use you that times.
Why you open like this?
They just tear them now.
Material not rich.
No, they just tear.
Wait, I'll come back to you. Sunday from Abuja, good evening.
Come be like style.
I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Sunday, good evening.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
My brother, good evening. How you doing?
Good evening, oh.
I did fine, oh.
I beg. This matter
I enjoy this on our program, oh.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much. Nakod win.
Easy beat.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
How far now?
I did, Baba. I gentle.
I did bad your dress, oh.
Yes, boss. Thank you very much.
Nedu?
Sir?
I beg you, give me this your clothes, man. Take good church on Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one talk, eh?
Yes, sir.
If na maybe that girl.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Honestly,
yes, sir.
I no go sign that kind of thing. No.
Why, sir?
Because I mean, this kind of matter get us a bit.
Okay.
How mother-in-law go tell you make you sign paper before you marry in son?
My brother.
If I be the woman, what thing I go do be say, I go wait for the guy.
Okay.
I go call the guy, tell the guy, say waiting your mother-in-law tell me.
Your mother.
You understand?
Yeah.
See waiting the mother tell me, as I mean to say.
Yes.
See waiting the mother tell me, say make I sign paper before I go marry you.
Yes.
If the guy is ready to marry me,
Yes.
he go come marry me.
Okay.
I don't need to sign paper because of anything.
But if the
boy, now the guy himself go tell his mother, say, mother, I must marry this guy.
If the guy get to choose between his mama and the girl, uncle.
You say?
If the guy get to choose between the mama and the girl, uncle.
If the guy gets to choose between his mama and the girl.
Yes.
And then the ball is on the guy's court now.
And Sunday, what if the boy, now everything with the mama, because now mama's boy, anything with the mama talk, now they do.
And then the guy never did ready to marry that.
He never ready.
All right, no wahala. Sunday, thank you very much, Sunday.
There many like that.
Thank you. We'll go on top Twitter, because.
My wife say, oh, I don't read them.
Okay, now, before it, which Twitter?
Musa say, Isibit, Katim and Nevu, if na me I could quit, cause for my place, na family.
No. Me, sis, I just trying to call and give my opinion. Nobody is catching my call. No, me, I don't get this. I dey try and call since no one is speaking my call. Make I give my opinion about this matter,
What we bring chair, you sit down.
You want more bring chair,
I don't want chair. I just want to give my opinion and go now.
Talk.
The thing is,
quarrel.
me, I said that I will do like this. I will sign, I will marry, and then when I marry, I will tell my husband about it, and then we just break.
Tell your husband.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
You go, if you tell your husband, if you can't tell your husband, how is that beneficial you now?
Because you say that if I sign, I don't go get anything anyway.
Even the guy die, no go get the will.
When the guy now.
So what if you can't tell your husband now? Your husband go change him. Can't say because the thing that the mama hand the day.
And no be because of money and property you
So
marry now.
You know, me my own is I will marry the guy and then make we do our own money aside.
Make it a mammy tanga. Marry that kiss and come and coast.
I will not hear you. Thank you.
It's okay, Sha. Anyway, next time I call you, better pick my call.
We go pick your
I will
call.
come again.
We go pick your-
You know, come again the phone now.
We go
I
pick
will
your
come
call.
again.
Bye-bye.
I'm telling you.
Bye.
Need everybody blow yours the whole on top this matter.
It gets on our producer be that mini match. Anyway, for me, make I talk my own for this matter. If na me be the girl, I go marry the guy. No, I go sign the paper because una no know the mama how this mama take be. So as in, she go do everything waiting for her power to make sure.
He get one tweet when I use when that thing where you talk make me read them. He say, Pascal say, if it be say the woman put them to test to know whether she gets for mind waiting the family gets whether she dey hide the wealth or na yours.
Hey, I don't think I'm good there. Hello, from Warri. Good evening.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Yeah.
The matter where they grant so.
Yeah.
Matter where we see.
If na me, I go must marry the guy.
You go sign the paper. You go must sign and marry the guy.
I go sign the paper. I go marry the guy.
Why?
Because the mama go die before my husband. Naim born my husband. Why ain't she say the man go die before her? Now she don't own her. I want to marry the guy because of the property, so I go must marry and there from there. God will arrange the mama for me.
And the mama die, Abi.
Nah, she sabi, nah, she say make a sign paper.
Now worry, all the worry area.
Then you go wear cloth.
Area.
Burial. One that big classes for
He
front.
said God will arrange the mama.
God will arrange the mama. The mama will die because now only her don't talk to the mama will die after the marriage.
He say Inko must marry. You know your way. Say Inko must marry.
Confidence from me, Kotu. Good evening.
No one pick.
We don't pick confidence. We don't pick.
Now
don't finish my credit.
How we want to finish your credit now?
No, now devil work.
Oh, now God win.
Which kind of work?
Now devil work.
No, I like your clothes too.
Oh, if you see the original one,
I just the film.
Thank you, John.
You dey.
I like
film.
Class say I'm in love with him.
Easy bit.
Wait. Confidence. God will judge you. God will judge you.
Emo, don't be unequally joke.
I like so easy bit for my the film.
Why you go tell me make I tell Easy bit? You know they say God. Oh God.
Easy bit dey here now. He dey hear you.
I class to make you face me. I just the film.
I
I feel you too.
I just
Who dey jealous?
Confidence, I beg you go.
Jealous.
Confidence, I beg you go.
I love you, dear.
I don't love me. I don't want your love.
If you love me, you go
wait
for me.
Talk to the hands, Nada. Please talk to the hands. I don't.
You not love him because you not wait for him.
Thank God, say you don't go. Nonsense. Joe from Macaulay.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm saying that I think they are about wife now.
Guinea.
I wait for it.
Oh!
Do re mi fa sol
do. No, you don't cook finish.
I don't cook finish.
What do you cook?
What do you cook?
I cook rice.
Rice. Where our own now? Tomorrow, Abi.
Yes, sir.
He go don't spoil now.
No, he get the way she could preserve him. No be do.
Okay.
Na do now.
Do. What you go do for this matter?
Do.
Okay, if you go marry the guy, I will make sure that the mama die.
Do, thank you. All these killers. Thank you, killers. Thank you very much.
Una blood the hot oh.
Anyway, most of now when it be say they so like the person will call me say this is what they discuss and true. This one a real life true story. Now if I this Saturday,
they marry this Saturday.
Now this Saturday they're supposed to marry. And whether the girl sign the thing or we not sign the thing, I don't know yet. We never know. Now later now we go know whether the girl don't sign the matter or not.
But if na the kele baro the kele ne came out wood and do boko so ban take ya sign the paper. Ma sign the paper. Mo do ke do for ba on Saturday mo ke nam do. Ndi on go ko ni e mfana you tom gboro to arrange we do. Ndi on ke na mo bi nam. I think you can understand what I'm saying now.
Bam, I understand it.
So my bong pero wa do yen wana mo. Hege guy again am do itong abu fa family mo. Itong iman ebo ne tong dito. May tanga ka mong ma. I think you understand me now.
Alona, you might understand. You don't understand.
Well, we don't close show. Goodbye.
I beg everybody will call us for the show for today. Double toilet all of now. And then to sexy Winnie, baby, take it from me. Set your ear. Let me lick it for you.
Make she said her ear.
Her ear, yes. And then to our able producer, Minimark, Double Toilet, to K-Solo, K-Moss, to Easy Beat, and then to everybody we call, and then to my sexy cat team, Double Toilet, to all of
my
them.
clothes don't take.
Take this material. Add
Make
it.
I do waiting.
Tomorrow, cut them into two. Make them add one for here, then add the other one. Stand up, stand up. Stand up.
It could be like patch.
It could be like patch.
Like,